Hello lovelies! I am going to do my foundation routine while I sit and chat with you guys. And I'm going to show you some of my favorite products. The Tarte Matte Primer. It is the Timeless Smoothing Primer Base. Is my favorite for my T-zone area. You will not get shine here. Woo! It works really well. And you don't need a lot. And what I use on the rest of my face is the No Problem by Touch and Soul. And I use literally that much. You do not need a lot of this stuff at all whatsoever. And I have been going back and forth between using a foundation brush and a beauty blender. So today I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender to do this. Using two foundations from Becca because I'm getting a little tanner and I want to make sure that I shade match properly. The Becca Tan and the Becca Fawn are the two that I'm going to be mixing. I'm just going to take some on my hand. Whoop. The two colors there, and I'll be mixing them together to do this.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Another one of my favorite products that you can pick up at TJ Maxx or Marshall's is the Kat Von D Cream Contour Palette this year. And the only color I really use is the middle one to brighten up underneath my eyes. And I just take the Beauty Blender, damp it in there. I do like to brighten up other areas of my face. A good rule of thumb is this part here, the little heart, is where you want the lighting and you want the shading on the outside. So I'm loving that product. Anyhow, let's blend it with the different side of the Beauty Blender. Okay, and now that we've got that there, we want to set this. And what I like to do is grab makeup wipe and take the foundation off my hand so it doesn't stay there. We do not need that. No. All right. And I've gotten some on my computer, so we'll wipe that off. And hi, I just hit the wrong button. There you are. Okay. So now that I've done that, I want to take a flat foundation brush, one like this, and we're going to use Kat Von D's powder today. It is translucent, however, it seems to work really well with her contour, more so than the other brands that I've used. And I've tried the Jeffree Star, the banana, but sometimes that can crease. This one hasn't on me yet, so. And wherever I put the concealer is where I put this stuff. And then our foundation routine is pretty much done, except for now I need to do my eyes. And MAC Paint Pot, my favorite thing in the entire world. Don't need much to prime the eyes. And we'll get into a little bit of contour and blush as well while I'm at it here. Okay, so for contouring, actually, for bronzing, I like to use this here. This is the Revolution bronzer. It's called the Ultra Bronze. It is pretty amazing. And I just like to warm up the outer edges. Including the jawline. And going down with it. And that is really all I do with that. I don't use it to contour. I use it to just warm things up a bit. And it looks like I got everything. Now as far as contour goes, I have the Cover FX, but you got to be careful with this baby. Okay, you want to take a contour brush, and you want one, well, I have a really good one. I have the Jaclyn Hill one. However, it works so well. I have to be so careful in putting it on. So what I'm going to do, because you'll put on too much, is I'm going to dab with an actual eye brush. And I'm just going to put right here the color. See how I did that? Because I don't want to go crazy with it. And then what I can do is I can take my other brush and bring it on down. Faces I make, I know, right? You do not have to overdo it with contour. You definitely don't. As long as you've got that line there, you're good. And it doesn't need to be a thick one either. Although it looks like I do need to put a tad bit more over here. So we will do that. I'm going to just stay in that general area. And then voila, we've got that part set up. Cool. We can choose a blush now and a highlight if we'd like, but I think I want to get into my eyes first. And we're going to speed that up.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Falling all over again, and our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. So many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
And I think today we're gonna go with more of a coral. It's like Isla. Is that middle one there? I think that that's gonna make this look warming on the skin, but bright on the eyes. Okay, so I've got that done. And for highlight, I've been loving the brain freeze. You guys know. I want to go with something golden. So I'm going to go in with Gold Breaker, and we're going to see how that works right here. And as you can see, it's a nice, pretty bright highlight. I'm liking it. Ooh, I almost put it in the wrong one. A little bit on the bridge of the nose, a tiny bit up here. The Cupid's bow, my chin. And now we're gonna put everything all together by using a setting spray. And we're gonna use the new one that just came out. We're gonna let that dry. Grab my mascara. Okay. This thing doesn't make sense to me. That little eyelash curler thing is like useless on the other end of this. And remember what I told you to use if you make a mistake. These little things are pretty amazing. There we go. Easy. Let's coat the top lash. My lashes do not go the right way because I wear false lashes so often. Alright, we're gonna let this dry. I'm laughing because what has been my go-to color? Bronze blood. But am I wrong? Does it not look good with every look? I'm loving that. And it doesn't come off when I have an e-cig and all that stuff. So what I can do too, and I want to see if I still have it. Yes, I got it in one of the boxes. I don't know which beauty box because I don't know. But look at this. I want to shimmer a little bit. Okay, that was a lot of it. Let's take a big fluffy brush and tap it now that I've got it all over myself. Anyway, and just kind of go over let's see, like the bone here. Make myself look nice and suntan. A little bit on the shoulders. Never hurt. I'm going to do a little bit on the neck, too. But what do you guys think? What kind of color look do you want to see next? I've done green, purple, blue, red mixtures. I don't know. I had so much fun doing this, though. Thank you so much for joining me for another video, and thank you again for 2K subscribers. Be sure to look out for that giveaway soon. It's going to be amazing. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.
The streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.